Okay, I'm really upset. I bought this bed a few days ago. This for my dog's birthday, her first birthday. Well, you can see it, really, can't you? How good this bed is made. 5 days I waited to give it to her. 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. Extremely disappointed. That should be more difficult than that to take a than that. Absolutely, really upset. Absolutely, really upset. This should be made better. Really, really made better. They know that this is for dogs. They know that they like to, you know. Well, there we go. As for the cushion, that's the back of it. That's the top bit. And this, it is very soft. That is very, very soft. But I'm wondering how well this is made, because if she's got that open, and normally these beds, I buy these for her because it's her favourite kind of bed. And originally this was going to go in her crate to make it more cosy for her. But, yeah, really upset. So if you're thinking of buying this, as I say, if you want to know what dog she is, there we go. One culprit. Yes, Molly. Is it your fault? Did you do it? Did you upset your bed? You did. Well, at least you're honest.